How to get glowing skin at home. Healthy skin looks and feels smooth. Every woman wants picture-perfect, flawless skin. Clear and beautiful skin is one of the main elements of a person's beauty. Healthy skin helps you feel beautiful as well. Skincare routines and lifestyle habits tells a lot of things about the skin's health. Some of the causes that led to dull skin are poor circulation, dead skin cells, smoking, dehydration, and poor diet, environment, stress, lack of sleep, drinking alcohol. It doesn't take tons of products to get healthy skin. There are some simple and easy home remedies to improve the overall health and appearance of your skin. 1. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera contains antioxidants, enzymes, vitamins A and C, and it is highly anti-inflammatory. It is also a great natural moisturizer. It can help treat sunburn, acne, dry skin, and help soothe irritated skin. Take an aloe vera leaf and extract the gel from it in a bowl. Apply this aloe vera gel on your face evenly using a cotton ball. Leave it on for about half an hour to let it dry, and then wash it off with lukewarm water. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components. These characteristics provides glow and luster to the skin by removing acne scars and dark spots. Mix equal amounts of turmeric powder and gram flour in a bowl. Add a little milk or water in it to make a paste. Apply this paste evenly on your skin and let it dry completely. Then scrub your skin gently with lukewarm water in a circular motion and wash it off. Repeat this remedy once a week to lighten your skin and remove any scars. 3. Lemon. Lemon juice is one of the oldest home remedies for lightening freckles, age spots, melasma, and for reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The citric acid and vitamin C in lemon make it the perfect natural bleaching agent for dark spots. Squeeze a lemon into a bowl and apply the lemon juice all over your face and neck. Leave it on for 15 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. 4. Cucumber. Cucumber has skincare benefits including revitalizes skin, skin lightening, controls puffiness of the eyes, helps soothe sunburn, treats open pores, reduce dark circles, rejuvenates skin, and contains hydrating properties. Take a cucumber and cut it into thick slices. Rub these cucumber slices all over your face and leave it overnight. Wash your face in the morning with lukewarm water. Repeat this daily before going to bed to get a glowing skin. 5. Mint. Mint is an excellent skin cleanser. It soothes the skin and helps cure infections and itchiness. The antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties of mint helps in keeping the skin healthy and glowing. Mix few crushed mint leaves, honey and rose water in a bowl to make a paste out of it. Apply this paste all over your face and neck and leave it on for 15 minutes. Then rinse it off with cold water. Do this twice a week to get clear skin. 6. Baking soda. Baking soda has bleaching properties that help in fading away marks and spots on the skin. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of baking soda for skin further help reduce the reoccurrence of pimples and acne. It is also a good exfoliator. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice in a bowl to make a paste out of it. Now clean your face with warm water and use this paste to gently exfoliate the skin. 7. Milk. Lactic acid in milk will help reduce pigmentation, heal dry skin, hydrate skin, heal acne, and relieve sunburn. It also serves as a facial cleanser. Other nutrients in milk include vitamin A, D, B12, biotin, potassium and calcium function in giving the skin a soft texture, removing wrinkle lines, moisturize, hydrates, and even out hyperpigmentation. Take raw milk in a bowl and apply it evenly all over your face using a cotton ball. Leave it for 15 minutes and then wash it off with cool water. Do it thrice a week for bright glowing skin. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon. So keep on watching more videos to get the best natural home remedies.